Menteri Rang Bak Jylla Konrad ke sangmah kar penyutrik luber lo Haduh bekidan Haduh sispa Ngut ki VIP ni ki Riew Kongsan hagi Bynta Bapher jo ke Jylla Meghalaya ki badan hapdeng ke bor ke jingya da babiang. Hawa jubab halor ki jingkali belawan ra duba ardan mele besai moy badew Emily na nongkrem constituency usang mau loong bakat kum ketenat kampo yeng sarkar Jylla ki dan Haduh san Bynta jong ke bor ajingya da kat kum ke yellow book ke bakedau ya ke jingpen biang penbit na Bynta ban ajingya da ki Riew. Menteri Rang Bak Jylla loong ban ki daw jong ke jing haki bor ajingya da sarkar kamla ban batai benya than halor ke kerting jong kini ki Riew bayo ya ke bor ajingya da.
So the security entitlements of protected persons is as per the classified secret document of security arrangements for protection of individuals, which is called the Yellow Book by the Government of India, Ministry of Home Affairs. And hence we are restricted to give too many details about the Yellow Book and the details of the Yellow Book in a public domain.
Susho bardan ru ulong babun ki Riew kishim kabu ya kane ke baha ajingya na bat kane ke pendek ki pajba.
In my experience, especially in these last 4-5 years, it seems that there are too many people, who behave themselves as VIPs. They put the back frames on the vehicles, even the vehicle without bearing a registration number, the siren, and this has caused a lot of convenience to the people of the state. So maybe a friend of a relative or a business partner of those who are at the helm of affairs, they are taking advantage. And this has become, an eyesore to the people of the state. So may I know, what steps will the government take against those people who behave themselves as VIPs?
Halor kani Menteri Rang Bak ulong bak sarkar kanya budin ya baro ki kenon belabu pat hakaju ke por banshim ki sinjam bashim khya ladan kanun ke jing ujor halor kani.
So we are adhering to all the rules that are there. In fact, even in my personal vehicle also, I don't put black films. So we are ensuring that we practice what we preach. And there could be incidents and there could be individuals, sir, who do this. And as and when complaints come to us and this comes to our notice, immediate action is taken. So if there are any such cases, through you, sir, I can inform all the members that if there are such cases, individuals who are, and if anything comes to our notice, definitely, sir, immediate action will be taken.